Hey guys, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with my first in an extremely long time nail video. When I first started my channel like 100 years ago, I used to do like nail tutorials and whatever with my natural nails. And because we are in quarantine, can't see your nail lady. You could if you're lucky and they're open. We're not open up here. But I wanted to share with you how I went from these beautiful nails up here, this is what my last set was, to these ones. I took my, don't mind this, I was doing a tutorial, this tutorial, so look out for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. But yeah, I went from these beautiful nails to these. I took them off using the McCart nail drill that I bought from Amazon, as well as a Sephora LED light, which I wasn't really a fan of because it's a Sephora collection one from when I was working at Sephora, and I did it in a pinch, but I did purchase like a whole bunch of stuff from Amazon, and they are coming soon. So when they all come, I will share with you that, because I am going to do a DIY of doing your own nails. I've been watching a lot of nail videos lately, and I feel like I could do one too. If you're interested to know what color is on my nails, it is the Sally Hansen Salon Gel Polish in the color Cook a Mango. This one right here, this is what the box looks like. In this video, you'll see that I only have the base coat because honestly, I went to 4 different stores and they're all sold out of the base, not the base coat, of the top coat. So what I did was double down and use the base coat as my top coat. It's not as shiny as if you used like a top coat, but it worked in a pinch because I was filming and I was like, I'm going to show you how I did my nails. So yeah, if you want to see how I did my nails from start to finish, stay tuned the rest of the video. Like I said, subscribe. I'll be definitely putting out more content during this quarantine time. I hope y'all are staying safe and blessed. And enjoy this time while you can. If you used to read and you couldn't read anymore because you were busy, take this time to read a book. You don't have to come up with a new skill or anything, come out feeling healthy and mentally strong. And I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye, y'all. Hey y'all, it's your girl coming back with a new nail tutorial. This is my little DIY on how I removed my acrylics that I had on from like the beginning of March. So I'm jumping off into it real quick using my e-file from McCart. I purchased mine from Amazon. I will link it down below so y'all can check it out. So I'm just taking my e-file with this bit and buffing down the acrylic and top coat just so that it'll be easier to clip my nails down to a shorter length for easier removal. Now I'm just taking a pair of nail clippers and cutting down my length. These are basically an overlay at this point because my nails have grown out. And now I'm going to be back to short little boy nails until all the other things I ordered from Amazon show up. So subscribe if you haven't so you can check out more nail videos from me in the future. Now I'm just going back in with my e-file to continue buffing down my nails. You don't want to buff all the way down to your natural nail. You just want to buff it down to a nice thin layer so the soak off will be easier in the long run and it'll make for quicker nail removal. This entire process took me about an hour. The longest part to it was the soak off. Like I said, I'm buffing my nails down. And I'm taking 100% acetone and some cotton rounds and some tinfoil to soak off my nails. Next time I think I'm going to do like the dip method where you like hold your fingers in the acetone and let them sit, because I did have to do this twice to remove all the acrylic from my nails. So I'm just soaking the cotton rounds with acetone, placing it on my nail bed, and securing it with the tin foil. Sorry about not being the same. I haven't filmed like this in a hot minute. So here you can see that I'm taking off the foils and using my Revlon nail cuticle pusher to start removing the first layer of the acrylic. During this part, you want to be super gentle. You don't want to push too hard and hurt your nail bed, because then that's no fun. Your nails will be sore. And because it still had a decent amount of acrylic still attached, I put it on for another round. The first time I let them sit for 15 minutes, and I'm gonna let them sit again for another 15 after this little clip.
Do you wind up for the world?
So I am back. I had finished taking off all the remaining acrylic and pushed them off with the Revlon cuticle pusher. Now I'm just clipping my nails down to my desired length. Now I'm going in with my e-file again to buff down my nails, just to make sure that I've got no rough pieces of the acrylic left. Now I'm going in with my drill bit that is safe to use around the cuticles. You want to be super careful with this so you don't damage your cuticles, but you do want to remove the dead skin and clean it up for a nice application with your gel polish in the very end of everything. Now I'm going in with some rubbing alcohol to take off the dust from my nails so I can see where I'm at with it to do any final filing. I'm going to take my 180 grit nail file to do the final shaping, making sure there's no rough edges and smoothing out my nail bed surface for a smoother application of the gel polishes. So I'm just sharing with you the colors that I picked up from Sally Hansen. I am going in with the Cucamongo color, which is a really nice reddish coral shade. Super pretty on the nails. I am going to start with a thin layer of the gel base coat and allow my Sephora Collection LED lamp to cure it. I wasn't a fan of it. I couldn't tell if it was 30 seconds or 60 seconds. You definitely need 60 seconds for it to be a quick and effective mani. I did order a McCart one and it should be here next week sometime. I'm not sure when this video comes up, but it will be here in a few days. And I'm going to revisit this process because I just think it was just not curing as nicely as I wanted it to. But I'm going to continue painting a thin layer of the base coat on my nails and curing it again.
Do you wind up for the world?
So I did end up doing 2 coats of the color and 1 more coat of the base coat because, like I said, I had no luck finding the top coat. So now I'm just using some of the cuticle oil all over my nail beds just to rehydrate them. I think they came out pretty good considering I didn't have a proper top coat. But definitely stay tuned for more videos to see me upkeep my nails, and I'll be back with another one real soon. Bye, y'all.